Hello everyone, I am Swati and I have done a project along with my teammate Srinivas Karthik. This project is about a school website. We have created a website for a local school. This will be really very helpful during this COVID time as we cannot directly visit the school and also we cannot directly contact the people to ask about it because of the corona fear. And using this website, we can get the visuals and also we can know about the curricular and co-curricular activities. You can see that in this website we have created many hyperlinks, and by clicking any one link you will be redirected to another web page. In that you can see many images and extra information about that particular site, and my teammate will explain you about the code of this project.
Hello everyone, I am Srinivas Karthik and I am going to explain about the coding behind this web page. So first, this is the HTML code for the home page. To include the images that you saw on the website, what we did was we created a folder called static in the project file, and inside that we created a folder images, and there we stored all the image file that we got from the net. And to load that, we used the function load static, and in normal HTML image tag image source, there we have to include the same percentage static in the location of the image, that is images slash the image name with extension, and this is optional height and width. And and as you have seen that this is a form. Inside the form we included the HTML link, so it will look a little better. When you click on one link, it redirects you to another web page. So how we did this was, in views.py file, we created function for all the HTML pages that we created. So I'll show you the HTML pages, and it's in the app templates folder. Inside that we created nearly 35 HTML templates. So in that we have to define, for that we have to define all function name, so we give the same name as the HTML pages. So and and to load these, we gave the URL in urls.py file, we gave its URL. So you can see that I've given this name tag for all the paths, because if you don't give this name tag, then when you call the hyperlink, it will redirect you to a wrong URL. So to avoid that issue, we have to give this name tag, and in views.py the same name should be used. In href tag we have to give the same name that we have given in urls.py file. So you can see that I've included the same names here. And and if you see this page in infrastructure.html file, uh, I've created an image href. So if you click on the image, it will redirect you to a HTML page, and that we did by including a image source file inside the href tag, so the same image will be converted into a hyperlink. So that's all about the code, and we'll further show you all the HTML pages now.
You can see in the first page about us, we have given about the school details, and nextly Bhavans, that you can see all the buildings which are available, and the contact details of the school. And the photos. We have included the special features of the school. This already has been explained. If you click each image, you can get more detail about that. This is very important session. Admission. Our main motive is to increase the admissions. You can see the 10th results. and the co-curricular activities of the school. If you click on this hyperlink, again you will be redirected. So you can see that Scout and Guides, and also you can see JRC. Like this, extra activities. For these, you can get the detail. And finally, the organization chart. So that's all. I hope that you liked our project. All this has been done through the knowledge which you have gained through the 20 days Django course through the regex, and we are really thankful to regex. Thank you.